Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So who all does not know me, my name is Nidhi and I am a beauty influencer, or I like myself to call it that. So today basically this is a Nykaa haul that I'm going to show you. There are a few products that I have ordered from Nykaa, from K Beauty actually, and there's a lot actually I wanted from a long while now. So I've ordered a few, and I'll quickly just take you through what and all I have got you, what and how it looks, how it how it is. And yeah, let's get started. Yes. So yeah, so the very first product that I got is this color corrector in the color peach from K Beauty, and yeah, in the color peach from K Beauty. Yeah, and this is for $7.99, although I did not pay $7.99. I paid somewhere around 600 or something like that. I'll link down the price, how much I actually paid, but the actual price that is on the boxing is $7.99 for this. And yeah, and this is how the product packaging looks like. Yeah, so let's see how it looks inside. By the way, I have not used any of it, so I won't be able to give the review of the product as of now, but however I will be posting the review after using it for like quite some time, like maybe for a week or so, like if I continuously use it. And if I come to a fair conclusion, I'll definitely try to post a video which will have the review of it. So keep watching. So yeah, this is how the bottle looks like very chic packaging, very much like K Beauty. Like every packaging has this hologram thing. Is that hologram? I don't know. Okay, so yeah, and then it is like full peach color, and then you open the tube, you get this thing here. Let me just quickly show you how it is. So this is how it looks like. So yeah, just like a primer thing. There's no sheer to it, nothing. It's just melts down in the skin easily, I believe. So there's nothing else like I have to say for now. Like for now this looks quite fine to me, but I'll give you a review only once after I have tried the product and tested it properly. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, so the another thing that I've ordered is the very famous eyeshadow palette from K Beauty. It is in the shade Pure Bloom, and packaging looks cute. There's like some tips and tricks how you can use this palette. You can use it or use your way, like whatever suits you. Now I'm opening the packaging. So this is how it looks, the outer packaging. So this is a cardboard cover, I believe, which is very similar to the outer, which is exactly how the outer packaging is. So this is how it is. Yeah, so there, this is how you open the product, and again the same thing, kind of monotonous. But I have to say, the packaging is quite sturdy. When you open it, you feel the luxury of the product. So this is how it looks like. Then the packaging exactly the same how the outer packaging looks like, and then you open the product. This is the shades that you get here. By the way, I have opened it, and I have tried to see, like I couldn't resist because I was waiting for the product for quite some time, so I couldn't resist. So this is how it looks like. Isn't it cute? It's like full bloom. That how the name suggests, it is actually full bloom, fully bloom. Cute for, I think, I guess everyone. So few of the shades, let me swatch it for you. So there's salmon, there's crimson, there's sand, peach, and then brick, spice, coral. So yeah, so this is how I'm going to show you brick, spice, and coral, how it looks like. Let me swatch it. So yeah, this is a very slick, very soft touch I have given, because I don't want to mess the product out. like sequin is something like this, if you can see, so I don't want to mess up the product, because the blend, I mean the touch, the very touch of it is like I don't know how to say that, but the consistency of these products are like way too good to be true. So for all the people who actually want to venture into eyeshadows, I think this is a fair shot you can give it. I have had the swatches here, so I think this is one of the eyeshadow palettes with the right price and the right consistency, I would say. It's not powdery, it's not like too powdery that it looks like chalky. Basically there are multiple, I don't want to talk about the products that I've invested, I am a makeup fanatic, but then this is something you can invest into. I can assure you, if you feel these are the colors you would like to go, I think you can give a fair shot to this product. Yeah. Another thing that I bought, but it is not here because someone took it from me. Yeah, so my friend, she has taken it from me, but then I would like to show you. This is the Unicorn Arctic something, I forgot the name of the nail paint, that is something art paint, something like that, and it is in the shade Unicorn. I would love to show the box, but it's not with me, so I'm so sorry, you have to take my word for it. Yeah, so this is the nail paint, so it looks good. I think you can give it a try if you like. I like everything makeup, so I just tell myself that I'm investing in the right purpose and I buy it. So another very important thing which I opened, this is illuminating highlighter from K Beauty. So the thing is, this highlighter, and it is in the shade Sunlit Gold, because this is what I wanted. But the thing is, the product that I've received is broken. This broke my heart as well. But then if you see, this is like completely broken. The moment I opened it, it's like my heart fell out, But one thing I can tell you, this product is like, I'm closing it because I don't want to spread any more gold illuminator, which I mean from this has already been spread, so I want to keep it like cute and clean. So but then yeah, one thing I can tell about this highlighter, and that is that this is one of gem of the product that this company has. Although I have gotten a broken product, the fact of the matter why I'm telling is that this product has the consistency of very high-end makeup illuminating powders. I have got a broken product and I can still tell you because I've used the product earlier, and it was not mine. I borrowed it from my friend and I tried it on, and that's why I ordered it. But then I can really tell you this product is nothing like any other drugstore product, and this is something worth investing your money in. If you like highlighting, you want a highlighter to people to go blind, you want a highlighter which should look subtle as well as give you that chic look, that clean look, this is the one you should go for. So that's my recommendation. If you want, you can go for this. Last but not least, I've ordered my lip pencil in the shade Hype, and this lip pencil, I like all K Beauty lip pencils, but this lip pencil I wanted to take for quite some time because I have Fame already from the same brand, but then this is something I wanted, so I bought it. By the way, this is the lip liner I have applied already. Sorry, I have opened the box earlier, but I couldn't help myself. So yeah, this is how it looks like. This is not a retractable pencil, it's normal pencil. You have to sharpen it, but the thing is, you see the glide, very light handed. Yeah, see how it glides. And this is the lip pencil I have applied. This is the lipstick that I have applied, you know, from Faces Canada, I believe, you know, in Pink Love or something like that. I don't remember the name of the lipstick. If you want to know, comment down and I will respond to you. Yeah, so that's about it. If you like this video, if you want to watch more from the content that I have, you know, I can always, you know, film some more and then share it with you all. So let me know, comment, use the comment section to the fullest and let me know how you like the video. Give me a thumbs up if you like the, you know, like my video, and then please subscribe to my channel. That will really be very helpful for me to keep going. It will be a very huge motivation, if I have to say so. So anyways, stay safe, stay well, and keep loving. Peace and love. Bye.